Hey YouTube, Kimania. I am Sha.
And I'm Ju. Together we are Sha and Ju.
Welcome back to our channel. So today we'll be making a bread starter. This bread starter you can use for any white dough that you want. We are going to use one to make a Schrippe, which is a German bread. We're also going to divide that Schrippe recipe to make a sourdough. So it's 3 recipes total. The bread starter, the Schrippe, and the sourdough. They are linked here or here.
We will find out as we go through this process together. To tell you a little bit more about the importance of a bread starter, before I met Sha, I had no clue. I would just put all the ingredients together in one day and go and wonder why the bread was not fluffy at all, just this block of dough really. So if you prepare a bread starter ahead of time, that will ensure that the bread is distinct in flavor, as of course normally white bread doesn't taste like very much.
Yeah.
And it'll be super fluffy as well, what we're always aiming for when making the bread.
So before we get into that, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave your notification bell on at all times so you can get new upcoming videos.
Let's get into it.
Let's get into it.
Lunes, yo me llamo Tarzán y la gente me dice ¿cómo es?
El rey de la selva.
Jane es perfecta gracias a sus raíces. ¿Sabes cómo es?
El rey de la selva.
Ando con mis leones cazando los ciervos. ¿Cómo es?
El rey de la selva.
Yo soy de fiesta de leones a cerdo. ¿Cómo es?
El rey de la selva.
Hello, Tarzán, hello,
Here we are. As promised, our bread starter video is here. This is a bread starter for white bread. You can use it for any white dough you want. I will be using this one for the Schrippe video, which is linked below, and the sourdough, which will be coming up soon. So for this recipe, we will be needing 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 20 grams of dry active yeast, 10 grams of salt, 20 grams of brown sugar. I love using brown sugar because back home in Mauritius, this is the main type of sugar you can get, and it's so gritty and flavorful that I love using it. You will also need 400 milliliters of water, a big bowl, and a whisk to mix everything. First of all, to start your starter, you pour all your water into your bowl. Followed by all your sugar. This piece of sugar has gone hard because we took it out maybe 10 minutes ago and it had acquired a little humidity. We're gonna add 10 grams of salt. We're gonna mix that in. Make sure they're both lightly dissolved. You're going to add your yeast. Give that a quick stir. Just to make sure there's no lumps in your yeast. And then add your flour in.
Seems like rocket science, no?
It's actually not that hard, right? Mix this until everything is incorporated together. If there's still a few lumps of flour in the starter, don't worry about it. It's just gonna make the yeast work a little harder to crack into those dough balls. So right now, this starter is done. We're gonna wrap it and set it aside. Et voila, our bread starter is ready. Let's wrap this, cover it, leave it on your kitchen counter overnight. We'll be using it for our Schrippe video. You'll notice when we start the Schrippe video, this starter is already in our bowl.
Perfect. Really easy actually. A quick 5 minutes, right?
True, 5 minutes, not more.
Perfect.
A few hours later, so this has started life already. It's bubbling away. It's smelling a little yeasty, but as you can see, you see the bubbles are popping by themselves. It's just working its magic. Don't disturb. Just let it do its thing.
Do not disturb.
So we hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a like. Check out the Schrippe video and stay tuned for the sourdough one.
Yes, please. We hope you enjoyed your time with us today. Thank you so much for watching. Tschüss, and until next time.
Let's go to work.